pumili ng Rich Cat, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang solusyon sa inyong problema. I don't know why, but I sense Italy, which is interesting. Okay. Actually, medyo mabigat sa mata yung feeling. Kasi baka yung nangyari dito, baka may breakup or can be talaga mabigat na problema, may pangyayari. At hindi mo lubos malaman kung ano yung gagawin mo. Clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I sense only you. Could be this is about love life. I'm not quite sure. Pero tingnan natin. Okay, I feel na meron third party situation. If ever this is about love life. Kasi may nag-impluwensya na kaibigan sa whomever your person is. Can be your connection is long distance relationship. At may nangyayari na hindi mo alam bakit bigla ka na lang in-stop i-message, bigla ka na lang ginost. Maybe you're trying to find what they call this, a closure. Kano nangyari. So, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo na meron siya sigurong friend na nang open ng another opportunity for him or her. Can be this is with regards sa relationship. Ito yung nangyari. So, yung nangyari dito is nag-iba siya ng connection. Kaya bigla dito si Calm, bigla na lang hindi siya nagme-message sa inyo. So, yun yung nangyari. So, yun siguro yung problema mo na hindi na siya nag-message. Kasi I'm sensing with regards to you, you're actually hopeful sa inyong connection with, I feel like sa foreigner, yun yung nasa sense ko. So, maybe some of you taga-Italy yung karelasyon nyo, or kung hindi man sa Italy, basta abroad, okay? So, can be nangyari dito is parang umaasa ka pa rin at gusto mo ng closure kung mag-aantay ka pa ba or magpapapasok ka pa ng ibang tao sa inyong buhay kasi with regards to this one, ibig sabihin lang nun na parang kang kaakit-akit. So, marami pang ibang tao na nagkakagusto sa inyo and you're not definitely aware kung dapat mo bang papapasukin yung mga yon kasi so far, you're actually waiting dun sa foreigner or sa somebody na connected ka. But yet, this is what happened na bigla ka na lang sigurong blinak ng parang inaasahan mong tao at hindi mo alam kung bakit kasi you're thinking that whomever that person is, this is somebody that is loyal to you. Nalungkot ako dito kasi yun nga, may nag-brainwash sa kanya na maghanap ng ibang tao. So maybe this is you now that you are protesting for, let's say, a message from the one that you love. Nalungkot ka kasi maybe whomever that person is na connected sa'yo, this is somebody na mayaman kasi we have the rich cat at pinakita rin dito with regards sa royalty card na mayaman tong tao na to. Okay, and I'm really sensing na naiiyak ka kasi naisip mo na sayang siya, you know, nawala yung connection and maybe you're here, you're wanting to know a solution for this one kasi I'm sensing that you are angry now kasi, you know, worthy ka na maging jowa ng kung sino man itong rich cat. At naiinis ka kasi ngayon hindi ka niya pinapansin. So, maka ito nangyari na nagde-demand ka for attention. Kasi we have to encourage here. So far, maybe na-encourage mo siya na ikaw yung piliin niya. Pero nag-ending na parang pinagpipilitan mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. So, we have to brave and gain. So, I'm sensing na gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon that you can gain wealth on your own, honestly. Wag ka masyadong dumepende sa mga tao na, let's say, mayayaman or may offer sa inyo. At isipin mo na you can achieve things by you working. To be honest, so, let's see what else do we have here. Wow, so far, yung solution dito is magkaroon ka ng work. Sorry about that. So, based on your reading, yung solution is magkaroon ka talaga ng work. Kasi, I'm feeling na magkakaroon ka ng success sa work. At nakakalungkot dito kasi you could be imagining na yung pag-asa is yung pagde-date mo with a foreigner. So, basically, don't leave this behind kasi may potential ka talaga na umangat with regards sa work, lalong-lalo na kung yung trabaho mo talaga ay swak for you. So, don't dim your light. Trust in yourself that you can achieve greatness. Hindi yung by dating somebody na rich, as you can see. So, maybe ito yung pangarap mo na magkaroon ka ng kapartner na mayaman. Okay, but yet, based on your reading, you can actually do it. Okay, yung solution dito actually, hindi yung you will go after whomever this rich person was. Kasi based on your reading, iniiwasan ka na niya. So, just let that person go. Mapagpilitan yung sarili mo sa kanya kung ayaw na niya talaga. So, we have to close in either way. So, inisip mo siguro hindi pa close yung connection. Kasi based sa inyong reading, iniiwasan ka niya. Or, could be you have been ghosted here. Kaya inisip mo hindi pa sarado. Kaya inisip mo na hindi pa siya lost. Okay, kaya naka-reverse yan. So, we have this one here. So, nakakalungkot dito guys. Kasi, whomever this person was, yung rich person, whomever this is, actually masaya siya sa kanyang buhay as of this time. We have this one, which is fate. And we have the forget in reverse. So far, hindi mo pa siya ni-let go or hindi mo pa siya actually kinalimutan. Kasi inisip mo na baka sakali fated kayo. Okay, nakakalungkot. Kasi with a feel here, so you have feelings for whomever this person is. And with the rich in reverse, so can be this is you. Like you're thinking na hindi ka mayaman or walang pag-asa na umangat ka or yumaman, but yet it's just in your imagination. Kaya ka nag-hope for somebody that is rich or someone na foreigner, sana. So, huwag may isipin yun. Gawin mo na lang, mag-aim ka na lang for your career here in your country. Kasi, angat ka naman. If you base your job sa inyong talent talaga. So, we have the grit is in either way. So, maybe maasa pa kayo na batiin ka ng tao mo or mag-message pa sa inyo. We have the luck in either way. We also have the lovers in either way. We also have this one, chariot. So, maybe ito yung nangyayari na naghahanap ka siguro talaga ng karelasyon. Parang after ng connection na to, maghahanap ka na naman. At paulit-ulit yung cycle na para magpe-break yung connection. Kaya si Chariot naka-reverse kasi meaning hindi siya magpo-push forward. Kasi first of all, meron kang luck dito. But this is not with regards sa relationship. This is with regards sa career. Kasi gusto ipakita ng Panginoon sa'yo that you can actually have these riches nang hindi actually naghahabol sa mga taong mayayaman. So if the new in either way, kasi ganito yung mangyayari sa inyong buhay if pagpilitan mo yung sarili mo na magkaroon ka ng relasyon, paulit-ulit yan na mangyayari. Si Hangman in either way, parang walang patutunguhan. With the bliss in either way, we also have this one. So parang kang maiinis kasi paulit-ulit yung ganitong cycle na nag-break kayo kung sino man ito. Nag-break kayo, naghanap ka uli. Nag-break na naman, hanap na naman uli. Paulit-ulit. Hanggang sa maging stagnant ka with regards to relationship. Papayo ko sa inyo guys, so with regards to relationship, hayaan mo na lang. Meaning, huwag kang maghabol ng connection. Kasi pag naghahabol ka, pag pinadali mo yung love life, madalas yung tao na may kita mo is someone na hindi meant for you. And it will definitely lead on to just break up. Honestly speaking. Yung mainam dito is, iwasan mo na maghanap and let that come to you. Yun yung mapapayo ko. Kasi if you keep on doing the same thing, laging parang ganito yung nangyayari. Okay? I know that it breaks your heart, guys, but you really have to learn to let go. Kasi baka nasanay na kayo na may karelasyon. Nakalimutan nyo na yung single life na honestly mas maganda kaysa magkaroon ng relasyon. Kasi kung may relasyon, isipin mo na rin paano kung kasalan, maabot mo, diba? Pag magkaanak ka na, guys, mahirap. Ma-realize mo yan. So, habang single ka pa, enjoy mo lang. Kung may dumaan sa ka na lang na ma-experience mo lang yung love life. Kasi kusa naman dumarating yung love life sa panahon na hindi mo inaasahan. I think that you will find a person kung busy ka na sa inyong work. Hindi pa sa oras na aggressive type ka pa with regards to relationship. Okay? So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, yung solution sa problem is you breaking the cycle na ganito naghahanap ka. You will be more on focusing on your work. And take some time to heal, of course. Kasi, with regards to this person na inaabangan mo, masakit talaga sa kalooban kung iniwan ka niya or pinagpalit ka sa iba. So, let's see what we have here. So, we got the Knight of Pentacles. We also have this one. So, basically, ito yun na naghahanap pa talaga ng jowa. Na hopefully, may money. Okay, gusto mo kasi sana na mapamper ka with regards sa, let's say, mga material na bagay. But yet, ito yung nangyayari kasi sa'yo na nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety or stress with regards sa relasyon kasi nga nakalungkot dito kasi mostly nakakatagpo ka ng tao na after lang sa passion. Wala talaga yung love. Okay, so anyway, I'm sensing na nalulungkot ka kasi nga may hinihintay ka. Kaya hindi ka na muna naghanap ng iba as you can see. So, nalungkot ako with the Page of Pentacles kasi maybe this is your status with regards sa career. Siguro sa ngayon, wala kayong matinong career or maybe naghanap ka pa lang ng trabaho. I'm sensing na what you need to manifest here is yung career muna. Yun muna yung unahin mo. I-manifest mo si career. Huwag mo i-manifest yung bagay na broken-hearted ka. I-feel na paulit-ulit yung ganito talagang cycle kung ito yung i-manifest mo. So, based on your reading, yung solution talaga is you finding a job. To be honest with you, or finding the right job for you. Yung swak talaga sa inyong talent. Honestly, sa inyong skill. Huwag nyo i-dim yung light ninyo. Huwag nyo isipin na wala nang pag-asa kayong masenso. Kasi based sa reading nyo, may pag-asa. Okay? Huwag kayong magdepende lagi sa connection. Na yung lover mo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng yaman. Kasi, to be honest, dapat natuto ka na rin noong COVID. Di ba biglaan na may mga nangyayari na nawawalan ng partner, ng kapamilya dahil dun sa sakit. So, hindi mo alam ang mangyayari. So, basically, you need to learn how to be independent. Okay? Kasi, nangyayari dito is paulit-ulit yung ganitong nangyari sa inyong buhay hanggat di ka nagbabago. Hanggat di pang baguhin yung cycle, paulit-ulit siya. Kasi let me remind you na nangyayari mga hindi ka nais-ayos sa bagay kapag, may bagay kang dapat na matutunan from that mistake. Hugs to every one of you. Alam ko nalulungkot ka sa reading, but yet kailangan mo talagang tanggapin or harapin yung katotohanan na rin na yung cycle na ito ay paulit-ulit sa iyo. So, maybe that is not the path for you kung ganun, kung lagi nagkukulose. Kaya mong pagpilitan ng sarili mo sa bagay na hindi para sa iyo. At antayin mo yung pagkakataon na ibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. So far, first of all, career muna, based on your reading, career muna yung parating bago love life. So, ibig sabihin lang nun na yung timeline nun is mag-career ka tapos saka palang darating si love life. Pag wala kang career, hindi pa siya darating. Okay, close kasi yung door with regards sa connection as you can see here. At saka palang darating si love life sa panahon na hindi mo inaasahan or sa panahon na hindi ka na naghahanap. So, yun lang. Gawin mo natural lahat. Hindi yung agresibo ka maghahanap kasi mag-lead on talaga yun sa maling connection. Okay, huwag mo madaliin yung love life. Honestly speaking. Kasi pag minadali mo, hindi maganda yung kinalalabasan nun. So, anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. Hugs to every one of you. Take some time to heal. With regards to this person, wag kang muna maghanap agad ng iba. Okay? You need to learn to be independent and to be on your own. Kasi para din yan sa iyong ikabubuti. Okay? So, that's it. And God bless you.